Alright, what do you want to do with the beard, man?
I just want you to line me up, bro. Don't take no length off. Line me up on the sides right here, the stash, the bottom, and we should be good, bro.
Alright, but I'll get you straight, bro, but you can't move. Alright, let's go back real quick.
Alright, for sure, for sure.
Right. You good, man?
Yeah, bro. I'll be you, bro.
Bro!
Bro, what the fuck, bro?
Bro, I told you not to move!
Bro,
I told you not to move, bro.
bro, you fucked my shit up, bro.
Bro, I told you not to move.
Glue that shit back on, bro.
Bro, I can't, bro.
Glue that shit back on,
Take it
bro.
all off now, bro.
I'm not paying for this, bro. Bro.
Hey, bro, I told you not to move,
I'm
bro.
not paying for this, bro.
I told you not to move.
I'm not paying for this,
Hey,
bro.
you need to pay, bro.
Nah,
Hey.
bro, fuck
No,
that, bro.
I need that cake, though. Hey.
Nah, bro. I'm keeping
Hey.
this shit. You fucked up my beard, bro.
Hey, bro. Man's car was ready to go? Bro. He sneezed.